Sila, edit ko lang yan.
Hi everyone, my name is Bed. I'm here with Ces. Kasama namin sila Justin, Kevin, and Jose. We're about to do something really stupid. Tara? Let's go, let's go.
Mabuhay ang Steak Unlimited.
Okay, tara.
Kung gusto nyo magpa-reserve ng Halana Band, Steak Unlimited.
Ito ang Man of the Hour. Ngayon, maliligaw si Kevin kay Rachel and it's gonna be great. Let's go. Dito kami sa BPI Claveria ngayon kasi dito nag-work si Rachel. So, nakakahiya pero
alam na ng guard. Tara, please.
Alam na guard. Alam na guard.
Let's go. Hi, Chip. Where's Rachel? Where is Rachel? It's Kevin, kinakabahan. Nandito si Rachel, nandito si Jose, nandito si Justin. And here we go. Ngayong babae nakatalikod din siya si Rachel. Okay, there's Kevin, lapitan mo, Kevs. Dito na ulit.
Ang pagsulya. Kahit na hindi na ba ang iyong karapot sinika. Ikaw ay malalaman mo hindi. Kung ikaw ay nakatawa.
your first, so I just want to make this memorable and hopefully yun na yung last time. Person na mag-aasay. Can you be my girlfriend?
On your knee. On your knee. Ikaw ay masungit dahil nabihan mo ang aking panig at dahil may dala ko.
Galing mo, Joy.